Russia's defense ministry says Ukraine executed Russian prisoners of war. That's Reuters citing RIA. Neogenomics and Imugen launched new program giving ovarian cancer patients access to novel FR biomarker testing to support the launch of Elahir. That's November Echo Oscar. Benzinger market update. S&P futures up 30, Dow futures up 171, NASDAQ up 112. Crude now down $3.56 at $77.83. Gold down 30 cents at 1762.70. Bitcoin futures down 110 at 16,630.
How we doing? How we doing? Morning, good morning. Justina, Looney, good morning. Tired?
White House
Yeah, good morning for
administration
me.
official
Yeah.
says U.S. is in regular contact with
What
China
is tired? Some random
on a
emotion?
North
Oh, what's up?
Korea
Let's get
missile
this.
launch.
About 2 minutes here.
That's probably my number one. I got PDD, Macy's, and Gap GPS. Those are my main watches for the bell, so we'll see what happens. I looked at that Ross, man. Like I think it has a lot of possibility, but I think it's going to be spready, and I think it's just not going to be for me.
Hello?
Concert that runs late tonight.
Yo,
Nice. Who are you
What's
going to
gonna be
see?
spready?
Ross, ROSC.
My
Oh, yeah.
wife's legs.
All that. Yep.
Just no volume yet. I mean, it's going to start off spready. I just know that. I don't want to fuck with it. It's a little more than I like to play too.
Yeah.
And like, you know, in the teens to like 50, 60, 70, that's like my sweet spot. 50, 60, 70. 20 to 70 is like perfect. Anywhere in there.
Already.
Yeah.
Once we start getting in the 90s and 100s, I'm like, you don't know. Range gets a little too extreme, spreads get worse. Alright, 45 seconds. I like JD.
Yeah, I was looking at that one too. And
Yeah, I wish I would have
S20,
shorted it.
I wanted to pull
Free
that,
market,
but I didn't do that yet. Now.
Good luck, everybody.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Hopefully I won't have to crap right up the bell.
5 seconds to the market open.
Yo.
Morning, AJ.
JD just dropped like a rocket. So did STME. BH spiked on no volume and just sitting there.
Wow, Tesla is getting wrecked. Why is that dropping so much and the SPY's not? Interesting. It's a divergence. Whoa, Meta as well. The heck? Wow, Meta is getting spanked. I don't really trade these big caps, but I just had them up.
Almost $4? $3?
Yeah. It's quite the drop on a lot of them.
JD would have worked out the bell, but
AMD as well. All the big companies are getting a little spanking.
Yeah. AMD
Apple off the highs, they're all doing it. It's weird though, because the SPY is not really doing it.
It's dropping some, but not like that. Yeah, that would be crazy.
Oh, JD, fuck, dude. Why you gotta go straight down on me? I hate that shit, man.
Well, it's doing what all these other companies are doing. They're all following each other.
JD, one of these big ones either.
Senior government
Kind of a
official
Chinese
says
company.
North Korea launched longer-range missile that can hit many, many countries around the world.
I mean, it's
What do I
considered
wanna
a
trade?
huge
What do I
cap,
wanna
though.
trade? What do I want to trade?
PAGS is going up a little bit. Not a lot of volume though.
What is it?
PAGS, PAGS needs more volume.
PAGS. Carrot.
Somehow Brian and David both got it.
Got pens?
Bags in. It must have, as they got in, it must have passed my 250K limit.
Dollar
I
on
didn't,
way.
it didn't even come up on my scanner because of the volume.
Oh fuck, dude! I almost chased JD. I can't do it.
There's STNE.
I don't even think it came up on my scanner, but I have 5 in
Stalking.
where they may not.
I saw it. No, I saw it on my scanner, and I have it at 10.
Which one, Pags?
NOTV, and it
Yeah,
halted on a
mine just
circuit
didn't come up
breaker
because of the volume at first, but once they were already in it and it
at
popped
the
up.
lows, $5.26.
Oh, because Pags
down
alerted
3%.
mine at 29.3, 29.7 on my scanner.
Yeah, it says it alerted on mine when it had 325k volume at
Yep.
1304.
Jeffries,
Yeah.
lowered the price target on.
Which by the
NOTV
time I
from
pulled it up, it
$27
was
to
already
$10,
dropping.
And yesterday, company announced
Yep. APLS. Anything there?
U.S. Attorney's Office
IC is making an
charge
interesting move.
against
ISEE.
employees of supplier of non-human primates. That's November
I
Oscar.
would like
Tango
to
Victor.
see it get through that quadruple top. It would make it 22.
BC Tawanche shares halted at the lows on a circuit breaker. Tango Charlie.
ISEE up.
Coming up at 10 a.m. existing home sales for October, 4.38 million expected. Also the U.S. leading index for October.
You might get there.
All right.
In. ISEE nibble.
Order filled. Order filled.
I was very in and out IC in literally 3 seconds.
LPRO touching MO50 daily.
Order cancelled.
Didn't like that I didn't get filled right away.
ISEE in. AMC up. PAGSLNT.
EME, AMC, trying. Actually, I have shares on GME.
Order cancelled.
NOTV shares resume trading. November Oscar Tango Victor.
Ooh, I made a huge mistake that made me lots of money.
ISEE
Yeah, I
dollar,
just made a little IC.
dollar,
I made a little fuck up that
AMC
Oh, yeah.
dollar on way.
I'm in JD, so
Yeah.
average 56.83.
LPRO nibbled it. Late alert.
Kind of came in today thinking I wasn't going to do too well.
SAPX, Satisfied Communications, moving again
Best
this
day of the
morning,
week.
halted on a circuit breaker. And the Alpha Tango X-ray.
I'm looking for like 55-ish on this, honestly.
Foot Locker FL. 103.39.
Foot Locker's on at 39 bucks.
Yeah.
That's fucking bananas.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
Just not really the best intraday trader.
Rum 44K.
Come on, JD.
Just looking for the push up through 2250 to get back in this, but I tried to jump back in.
ISEE done.
Oh well.
PDB's dying.
ISEE dollar dollar.
Look at fucking IC. Oh my god.
Down to leftovers.
On IC?
That was quite the dump.
Yes.
FML.
Good job, Thomas.
I looked over and I
Not
was like,
even
wait,
leftovers yet.
2120? I was like, how's that even possible? I was like, I guess it dumped.
Yeah.
I was in
Got
IC for 3 seconds.
If it got back in, if it got back up to 2240, 2235, I was gonna get back in, but
I was
Didn't
just
get-
looking for 2250 pop, but Never got it.
I think you got a good one, Thomas, for your first trade in a couple of days.
Yeah.
You
And
traded yesterday.
I even messed it up.
I think you got 2 trades yesterday.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? I didn't think you got any.
Yeah, I ended up breaking that cherry.
TC to 1J resuming trade. Following a circuit breaker halt, Tango Charlie.
Oh, I just got subbed out and well over goal. Fuck you, Fridays. That was literally my best trade in maybe a month or two.
And halted again in TC. There's new lows now, $5.85, down 37%.
BBWI.
I was looking at that one, dude. I think that one's gonna be a runner.
Yeah, I'm
Probably a little too grindy. A little too grindy for these guys. He's just got room to like 43-ish.
Yeah, I'm interested at 4250.
That would be an interesting area.
Indy if it can get going.
I actually have a resistance line there, but the fib line's up to 43, so it's kind of like, eh. So can anyone see my fuck up that made me a lot of money?
Miss anything?
Watching INDI. Indy. Looking for more, but
DOW, Dow, Canada's top court rules Nova Chemicals must pay Dow Chemical $645 million
A lot of ICEI.
infringement case upholding lower court decision.
Nice.
That's Delta
Very
Oscar
nice,
Whiskey,
Thomas.
DOW.
I still think mine moved more.
I didn't know it was a competition.
hey, look at my
Hey,
dick,
every
it's
day's a
bigger.
Competition. Every day is a competition.
To you it is.
Amongst yourself.
Yeah, for sure.
But I can't see how you're happy about something you fucked up on and made money. I'd be pissed.
I'm not
That's
pissed.
cash
It
carry.
was a
Says
ad
entire
instead
notion
of
crypto was nonsense.
setting my break even, but I rolled with it. You will misclick, and it's how you fucking deal with it, not. Misclicks happen, man. I added that new button and it fucked me up because I clicked the wrong one.
Like you said, it happens. That's why it's called a
Yeah, it
misclick.
happens. You just gotta fucking figure it out. I was confused at first because I was like, what the fuck did I thought I got out of the position. But then I was like, no, I'm bigger in the position. My fucking bad. Luckily it happened in a good place and it just dropped. I took a little
So
bit
you
off the
tried to
light
cut
bulb.
it, but you added?
No, I didn't try to cut it. I was just setting my break even. I was setting
Damn it.
my stop out. And I clicked the wrong button.
UCL up.
NIO.
I wasn't trying to get out. I was trying to set my Stop.
Gotcha.
Yeah, Neo just had a nice spike.
JD all the way back up too.
PAGS to
jumping
win.
all the way back up. A lot of this shit is, dude.
No, SPY and Tesla are coming down. I'd assume they'll follow us shortly.
XPEV up. Amba dollar.
Buy a weird move, man, after that big drop to get back up here. I don't even fucking get that.
This cough, man. It's not gone away.
Indy.
More.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
Took a starter in Indy.
Dang, look at these jumps. You watching, Jaggy?
I'm in Neo.
Order filled.
I'm out of Neo.
Short?
Yeah. I'm out now.
Nice, man.
Oh, it'll probably go back down.
What was your average in that? Is that a
Uh,
guess?
79.
Carrot.
And I got out at 69.
Yeah.
Order cancelled.
I
LPROLB
was dancing
/E.
around at that like 72, 73. Got to 69 and said, I'll just take it. But I didn't get an ad on it, so.
Trying to get a vibe on what all this shit's doing.
What's your average on Indy? 10.
7.397867.
Whoa. That's a lot of numbers.
That's what
I
it
don't even know
says.
what it is.
Essentially 740, a little under.
Oh, good.
Fractions of a penny under.
Confused. Dude, my brain is like, I got a headache today, like a motherfucker. I don't know what's wrong with me. I was kind of hoping I'd get one decent one early so I could probably bail out of here and maybe take a nap.
Watch DNA, but like it's
Still watching JD, man. What's CBNA doing? Popping too?
Yeah, not a ton. I want more. RLST is going up again. Off the bottom, it's $3 up.
I'm afraid of that. I'm not gonna lie.
If it was a lower dollar stock, I'd think about it.
Yeah, she's scary. basically bottom taking IC, it looks like.
Not me. I ain't posted my chart yet.
Well, I heard where you got out. It was on this first pop. So. Must have got out
I'm about to
towards
post.
the
It was close to the bottom, but not. I'm about to
bottom.
post.
Bottom. You probably didn't get that second one because you were out on the first one, I would
That's Cash
assume.
Gary says
Where-
I was
not useful
majority,
payments.
not at the bottom, but 2120-ish. And then I had severe leftovers, and it came up and got me once it went up above one of the retracement lines.
Gotcha. Well,
Order
going
partially
higher.
filled. Order filled.
He's got some room to the upside from here.
Come on,
That'll
baby.
probably give you another opportunity over
Order
those highs.
cancelled.
JD's coming down again.
I feel like I see the low floater, but I don't remember.
It's saying 118 million, but I don't think that's right. I think it's lower than that.
Yeah, that's when you were playing for like ever there.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, a while back. I think that's lower than that, though.
Oh shit, dude, I got such a headache.
TC Tawanche resuming again. And shares halted again on Tawanche at the lowest $5.04, down 45% now. Tango Charlie.
So when you put the wrong button on your stop break even and it hits the area, it just doubles your size.
Oh, okay.
that's something I learned today.
That wasn't
like
that wasn't the plan.
no. I got to get used to those break even buttons. Like I don't know. I feel like
Wait,
they're the
what
wrong color
happened?
for me. Instead of putting the stop break even for a short, I put the stop break even for a buy. You know what I'm saying?
You have two different buttons for that?
Yeah, one to sell, one to because one has to be sell, one has to be buy. They can't be the same button.
Gotcha. You hit the wrong break even button.
I hit the wrong break even button, so instead of break evening me, it doubled me.
Yes, it does do that.
Then it immediately dropped, and I was like, okay, I guess I'm going in this with heavier size.
Just got in food too.
I gotta figure out that I don't like I made the one green for buy, but in my mind I feel like I should be hitting the sell. I don't know, and I'm fucking a little foggy today. Woke up feeling a little wacky today. Got that fucking flu going around. I'm a little
LPRO
nervous.
dollar on way.
Macy's.
RND grinder halted at the highs 25.20, up 116%. Up, it's Gulf Romeo November Delta. SATX halted on a circuit breaker.
Dude, is GRND really grinder? That's a new stock just opened today, dude. I wonder if that's actually the freaking.
Coming up, the existing home sales for October expecting 4.38 million.
That works now in DOS. I can never get the reverse button to work in DOS.
10 a.m. Eastern time.
Devin, it is that.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Dude, we've been joking around about that for weeks.
To the moon, man.
Grinder to the moon. That's
Order
fucking
cancelled.
awesome.
Order cancelled.
Just made some on food too.
Grinders halted. If you want to jump in that one.
I'm okay.
I know you're a big fan of the app. I'm just letting you know.
Oh, it just IPO'd today.
And just IPO'd today. That's what I was saying.
Oh, that's funny.
That is hilarious. We've been joking around about that shit for a week. Time not stick. I am well. Do I want to look? Oh, I got through to that. That volume's a little late too.
Yeah, I got in and thought there was more. That's why that really dropped. But I saw it had 285,000 when I was in it. Like, oh my god!
Oh no!
And then it got spready.
And then it got spready. Yeah, that's a bad thing about late volume, man. I think BBWI is gonna make a run, but I don't think I'm up for that grindy type crap today. PDD, pushing, huh?
Yep.
What a slow trade.
TC Kawance resuming. Tango Charlie.
Carat LNT.
Coming up, existing home sales, 4.43 million units. The consensus was 4.38 million, minus 5.9% on existing home sales. Conference Board leading index, minus 0.8%.
You add into Indy, Tim?
It's 752. It's
Consensus
my
was
average.
minus
So
0.4%.
I'm getting there.
It's like the slowest trade ever now.
It's a decent move in there, though. Imagine there'd be a pullback, huh?
Probably retest the 200.
Yeah, 730ish. Let's see.
I could go ahead and just do that now. That'd be nice.
What the fuck is this thing? Indie Semiconductor?
What are we looking at?
I'm looking at Indie Veshes on it. Trying not to
What
put
is
my
it?
pants. INDI. I'm watching PDD right now a little bit.
I got $1.75 on roast.
And did you trade that thing?
I did. I was in it before. I was in it when I asked you about it. I was like, oh crap, he
Oh,
doesn't like
God.
it. That's already in it.
You got in it and no volume in pre-market? What the fuck?
Yeah, of course.
You are bananas, man. I don't You blew my mind.
I got in at 114.10, put a 50-cent trail on it, and it spiked up. It took me out at 112.35 or something like that.
From my first entry to my last entry, I got about 250 on JD.
Nice.
Well,
All right,
good trade.
NDI, nothing's coming up. You're talking no dick indigo?
Indy, INDI.
INDI. Like
I
Indianapolis.
forgot the first one. I forgot. So I'm trying to figure out, like, this doesn't work.
Oh, you're going November, December. ND. I got you.
No, I was looking at NDI.
Oh,
All right, this
okay.
is
You guys talking about the reverse button?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, I remember we tried to get it to work and we couldn't get it to work.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to verify. Let's see. But it might be time to try it again since they did all the updates, since I've tried.
True. I mean, that would
Oh,
be
you
nice
actually
because
just put reverse.
instead of
Yeah. Send equals reverse.
Yep.
Huh.
That way, because
So
in
that
theory,
means, like,
what
if
it's
you're
supposed
short,
to do. Correct.
it would reverse you to long.
No. It's gonna.
What does it
So
mean?
if you're long, it'll make the button work for if you're long. If you're short, it'll make the button work for if you're short. So like you wouldn't have to have two break even
Oh.
buttons.
So I wouldn't have to have the two buttons.
Correct.
I got you.
Yeah, I tried that for a long time and couldn't get it to work.
I'm almost thinking about separating them because I have them on top of each other. I have them different colors, but I don't know why, dude. I want to hit the green button
Order filled.
when I'm long, but I need to do it the other way.
Indie
You know?
dollar.
I just change them to a different color, then it'll differentiate it for you. So you know what I
They
mean?
are a different color. They
Order
are a different
cancelled.
color. Just
Color, like make it like
Order
yellow or
partially
something
filled.
weird. So this
yeah,
way,
maybe it's got to make
Order
them some
filled.
random ass color. You
so
know?
you're not thinking, you know, like the way you normally think with green and red.
Yeah.
There you go, Tim. You're green.
Yeah. See if we can actually get more green.
What's that on it?
52.
Is that build position or single entry?
One ad. Well, I actually added to my original starter because I felt like I was a little too small. So I guess
Indie Locky
technically 2 ads, but not really.
Instead of too small, you were too early.
Yep. Yep.
Sucks being too small.
Speaking from experience,
One
huh?
of the qualities.
Yep. Telling you, man, it sucks.
I'm in the same boat.
This thing feels like it halted.
Trade.
I
You
guess I
have to
should.
jerk
trading
off
is
with
nothing like
tweezers.
crack.
I guess I should have
So
stayed
fucking
with
difficult.
Futu. Jesus Christ! Look at Futu now. It's down to 5170s.
Was it really?
Yeah, but no
Was that the one
volume.
with no volume?
Yeah,
Still
Still
got
got-
no volume, man. Yeah.
just dropping like
Man,
oh.
that's rough, man.
Yeah, I mean, I just
That's
Most
rough.
of those
Yeah,
had
you
no
don't know. You don't know what that's gonna do with that little volume.
oh, one little
Do you know what's helped me a little bit, Jag? Which I know you do it,
what?
and I don't know if you can like do without it. Removing that fucking 9 moving average from my chart has helped me so much. Because that shit always got in my head that might bounce at the 9.
Yeah.
And when I took it off, like, I don't want to fucking worry about it.
And now a lot of times what I try to do is if I'm gonna cover out of it, I'll try to cover some there.
Like I don't know, but I'm gonna assume you got out close to the 9.
Order
Because I
cancelled.
know you do that often. That's all.
Order
Why would-
partially filled.
The 9 is lower.
Order
The 9 was
filled.
probably about 15 cents lower, but I just wasn't gonna do it because of the volume. It
I
kinda-
gotcha. I
it's
gotcha.
often just stop there. And I'm like, all right, I don't know what the hell that's gonna do.
And this one's a different boat just because I had no volume. But I'm just
Yeah.
saying in general, I know a lot of times you're looking at the 9, and I
Yeah.
got rid of it for that reason because I'm like, I keep thinking this is gonna move bigger, but I'm putting too much faith in the stupid 9.
Yeah, yeah.
And really, I'd rather have the 50 on there because I'd rather see it get down to that bitch, you know?
Yeah.
And honestly, it does a lot of times.
Watching Veru.
Is that worth looking at? Do we have shares?
Yeah, we got 500K.
That's one of those that we don't have them sometimes. And that project right there, and 640-ish. I can't.
Veru Daily FYI.
I got a bad feeling then. I got a little bit of a something trying to get me.
Indy's just stopped right there, huh? Tim?
Yeah, did this like 5 minutes ago, and then it just tried to go up, so I took half off just in case, and then now it came back to here and it stopped again.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, I mean, looking at that Veru, man, but just not making me want to be in it. It's got room back down to that
Indie
$6
Trail.
area, but I kind of would like it higher to pull the trigger.
STNE HOD. Earnings.
What you watching, Jaggy Pants?
STNE. I want it
Order
over
partially
12.
filled.
It's when you had
Order filled.
Yeah. Starting to move back up. Like 12.
All out of Indy.
Green. Yeah, you got. Did you get a green on that, or is that like break even-ish?
Well, he should have made money on that. He's not at his desk right now, so but he should have made some money. I don't know how big he was though.
Yeah, he took his
Too big.
numbers off the screen. I don't think he was big either.
SATX
Yeah,
LOL.
it's one ad, right?
Alt. Wonder how that ends.
It looks like two ads.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he said one ad.
Well, a starter and then an ad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a one ad. One
You got
start
it
of
right
one ad.
time because now it's going back up to high towards higher day.
Yeah, I think that trade was annoying. He might have been break even-ish on it, which probably is frustrating. Because his average, I think, was 52. I don't know
Yeah,
how
I
much
made a
off
little on it.
for
It wasn't much. It was pretty break
Yeah.
even.
Looks like a frustrating one, man.
Yeah.
Doesn't want
It
to pull
was.
back. I mean, it doesn't look like it's scary. It just looks
No,
frustrating.
Yeah.
There's nerve-wracking trades, and then there's just annoying ass trades. Oh fuck, dude, my head's killing me. Your ST&E doesn't look too fun, Jag.
No. Doesn't. I'm also
Well, to
looking,
be honest, dude, I think that thing could get some fucking get up and go and run.
yeah. I'm also looking
I mean,
kind
look
of
at that.
BA, but that one's like a long shot. It needs to get a pump of
Look at
volume.
Look at the daily though on us, or it's actually a 30-minute, but if it really gets.
Jag, are you in
going,
STNE?
room to 12.
I'm not in it now.
No.
I want it to 12. No, not yet.
Not through 12, I agree. Like 12-17, that should be really cool. 10's 12-20.
It should definitely get to 12, maybe even 13, because I'm in.
Okay.
Oh god.
What's your average in it?
Wait, what are you in? STNE?
We should all be long STNE. Everybody get in STNE.
Steve said he's
All
in
of a
something. What are you in? What are you in?
All All of a sudden, 10,000 shares go through on the buy.
Yeah, we're all betting
10,000.
our
I'm throwing
accounts
my
on this
full
bitch.
account at it, man. That's like 2,000.
That's what I'm saying. This is a freaking $11 stock, bro. We can go heavy.
All right, let's go. Let's go. I don't see the buys coming in.
Oh, just wait. I gotta load the order up. It's so big.
I'm using a dark route, dude.
Yeah. What's the dark pool? Is that what
Yeah.
it's called?
I think we know.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna use that.
Fesh is filing his 13D right now. Wait, you want to buy half the company? Yes, just fucking do it.
Just put it through. Mark it.
Yeah, market buy. That's what you want. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's your average?
That's not what you
Christy?
want to see. 1174.
Oh, did you just get in that?
I got in after Jag called it. When he called it out, I looked at it. It was just sitting there 1172, 73, 74, 75. I got in 1174. Came down to 69, went back up to 74, and now I'm good to go.
Yeah.
I wish you all the luck in the world.
You're such a
I'm not
liar.
doing it.
You save all that shit for yourself. You don't wish me all the luck.
I'm not joining you because I don't think it has anywhere to really go. I mean, I guess I could go down to 1040 if it really got slammed.
1040? Yeah, I was hoping
it
just
got-
for 1125. I was just
If
hoping
it
to get
got
50 cents
slammed,
out of
that's
it.
its next area. Yeah, I think 1155 would be place to hold if it holds. I don't know. That one's a tough one, dude. Chart's a little all over. JD with the push up. Look at this little motherfucker.
Yeah.
I did not expect that one. That gets up. If that gets to $61, I'll short it.
DWAC 6KTB pass for me.
When my ID is $3 away.
JDD.
I just made some on JD.
Just 1D. The other
A
D
nice
is
little
for me.
pop.
Yeah.
$. LOL.
Guess I should have stayed.
I think you said that a couple times today.
I know. I just don't feel. I don't feel right today. I didn't sleep well, so I'm just not 100% there.
Yeah, I feel you, dude. Me too.
And I started small with it too because I figured I could go up to like almost 59. I just wanted to get in.
That's why. Nose.
Well,
Yeah, he had like just finished. Mm.
I got a really bad feeling that I'm coming down with something.
Mask on when you talk on the mic.
Hmm? Yeah, I'm sorry.
Put a mask on when you talk on the
I'm
mic.
wearing a mask. I'm wearing a mask. Don't worry, you guys are safe. I have a face condom on. I don't want to be sick. I don't want to do that, so I'm fighting it. I'm not sick.
Alright. Oh. We got the trail in, so now we can't lose. Might not make much. I like it, I like it, I like it. Man, that's a lot of money on the table with Ross. Well,
Still coming down?
well, where is it? Yeah, so far I left $2 on the table. Half my, would have doubled my profit. But at the same time, I didn't have to worry about it.
Haha.
I would assume you didn't go balls to the wall on that one, but who knows?
No. I'm really trying not to go
Just-
balls to the wall on anything. Like
Oh,
I said, I really didn't want to have to trade from my phone. But
I
if I'm gonna
gotcha.
trade, I'm gonna trade small.
Yeah. I'll be right back.
Like my last few trades have all been single entry.
What's that, Jaggy?
I'll be right back. I got help downstairs.
All right, brother.
Feds Collins says a 75 basis point hike is still on the table.
What? You know what I'll tell you
DWAC
though? I got
YOLO.
in there way bigger than I planned on, and because I was already in okay size, and I didn't freak out though, man. That makes me feel better. Like it didn't scare me that bad.
Carrot dollar on way.
A little more confident. Or it's because I feel like death. I don't know. What you got up, Timmy?
I still have India up just because I had it up. As far as anything that looks good, nothing.
Nothing. That didn't sound promising.
I mean, DWAC is going crazy, but we don't have any shares.
No, we never have shares in DWAC, man.
Hoo at B1.
Wish we
Over like
did.
30
Look at
Leaking
it.
that SHT out.
No, it's 22, but the move it's making is pretty sweet.
DWAC's such a fucking wacky stock, man. I
Yeah.
mean, right?
Yeah, it trades like, I mean, it is a lower float.
But it's like what? Like, it's not low flow, right?
It says 30 mil. Let me check.
Out all.
Yeah, it says 30 mil, 28 to 30.
Yeah. Oh, that's lowish.
But when people see it moving, it's one of them like meme type stocks.
It's a meme stock. Like one day it goes from 21 to freaking 29 bucks, back to 21, probably going back to 29, maybe a little lower.
I think it also has a lot of options volume too.
Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me. I'm not gonna trade DWAC. Crazy thing is, it made that big move. It doesn't even have a mil in volume yet.
I got stopped out of stone.
That was quick.
We call people like you paper hands.
calling me. I'll be back.
The stock's not moving much. I put a 10-cent trail on it. So that's it. No big deal.
FTCH, Farfetch.
Moving up and down, up and down. It'll be one thing. It's not really going anywhere. It's very small range.
Charlie Hotel.
Roast, I had a 50-cent stop on, so that worked out nicely. But I don't want to give up more than that if it ran. Which it did.
Only if you waited a split second more to hit that button.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
Veru up.
Very sure.
And he's the one that said, look at the daily.
It is kind of a crap daily. Man. Like 777, where that gap fill would start. Wouldn't really be too worried about that if it actually tried to move.
Shit, we should have BBWI on watch today. I took that one off because it was on SSR yesterday, which had me not looking at it.
RYAN, light volume, but it might get a little pop here.
What was it?
RYAN.
Ryan. Now that daily is interesting. It's like
3850 at least is what I want.
Yeah,
DLO
I'll say
kinda
it's
up,
got that like
kinda real
support
C-Rap
possible
daily.
area from that last dip at 3811, but we're in a gap fill which goes all the way up to 44.
That's what's scaring me a little bit. So
Yeah, it's kind of. I mean, there's no way it's gonna go right there, obviously.
Famous last words. It goes right there. Big.
Johannes V. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Orion. Look at
Ryan
high
setting
yield.
up for VE maybe.
That's got that look Thomas likes, I'll tell you that much.
Well, it says it's
Getting
worth me
curvy.
looking at because I gotta do something.
It's got that ski slope action going. I mean, it hasn't had the big pop yet, but it's definitely sloping.
Oh yeah, definitely looking for the bottom there.
Now you get that big pop, and that's got Thomas all over it.
That's like a pair blueprint right there.
Yeah. Is that like the ideal look of a stock for you, Thomas? Just out of curiosity.
That is what I would say is the para blueprint. Where, yeah, it makes that ski slope and just.
When you
Takes
see
off.
that, you're like, all right, let's go. Hmm.
D-Lo, Jag. Looks like you.
Jag is gone.
Might
Take it
be
back.
looking like me.
Ooh,
in a second.
whoa.
What's the stock, just so I can see what Jag looks like?
D-L-O.
Oh shit, that looks like Thomas.
And are we not interested in that?
Oh yeah, I guess Thomas likes these inside the range too.
Thomas just likes big pops. I don't think he cares about the range.
It was
That's
definitely
the-
jiggling there.
DLO.
That's
Just
the only
don't
one that
like
Thomas
how it's so
wouldn't like about
close.
is that SSR bullshit.
All the SSR and the so close to the double top.
DLO.
Apparently everybody else in ISW is in it already. I would like
That-
more out of it. Personally. I mean that's a really good move, but
that goes.
I didn't jump in yet, so.
Have a good day, Moss.
I just had too much shit. I was trying to do shit. Office phones ringing, and I'm trying to set something up. And
I don't think I would have got filled anyway because right when I was thinking about hitting the button, it started to drop and it's SSR, so which I would have
Yeah.
tried to get filled at like 23, 12:23.
SSR makes it
You back,
tough,
Jag?
that's for sure.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I was Elo was making a run. Wasn't sure if maybe you'd be interested.
Maybe 1250.
Yeah,
No,
it's
it-
kind of what I was
Yeah.
waiting for. Definitely now that it retested 12 already.
All your ISW folks still in there?
I guess.
I'm not really looking
Order
at it.
filled.
Looking at this stupid BBWI.
Of course, I hit the button because it didn't look like it was going to get through the double top. And then it went through like right after it filled me. I am in at 46.
Good luck, sir.
Order cancelled.
GRND grinder share is hitting $33 at the high, halted on a circuit breaker. Golf
Oh,
Romeo
you halted
November
up
Delta.
again. Damn, your stock's going wild.
Yeah, buddy.
Up 184%.
Which one?
Grinder.
Oh.
Oh, that's a bummer. Had an ad sitting at 1287.
Yeah, I have one at 1285.
Oh, you watching my stream, you little jerk?
No, that's right. What?
I'm just kidding.
Front running.
Well, it kind of sucks now because didn't get the ad.
Yeah. Doesn't want to break that 1250.
Yeah, and when it did, it didn't really look like people were ready to sell.
No.
See about this time.
I'm out. Not great, but I'm out. I just don't like it. Good luck to you, sir.
Thanks. Wish my average was over 50, I'll say that.
Which one is this? D-Lo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can see it down at 12, but
It's below that 47, so we kind of like had the fake out over that previous high. I'm back below, that's good.
Order filled.
You got that dump, bitch.
Order
About
About
cancelled.
time. I wish I would have got my ad up top now. I finally had orders out way down there, and they all got filled. Whee! I can say I got one. Whee!
I didn't get my second ad either. My second ad was at 81.
Congratulations, guys.
It was about time. I was like, I was so tempted to take half off, and I'm like, no,
Banger.
this feels like a Wii. Like I could feel it on my insides. Like, don't hit the button.
Nice.
I wish I had that feeling.
I didn't see it, but you sound excited, so it must be really good.
Nah, I mean, it wasn't like super good. Yeah, it was-
And he goes, it kind of sucked, whatever.
no, I mean, it was a
No,
good
you
trade.
were part of the lead. I don't care how many fucking shares you had in. That
Yeah.
shit was good.
The fact that my insides, my instincts were telling me to do something, and I did them, and it worked, is the excitement part. The money is just the byproduct.
It's always
What's that famous saying?
It's always nice when a plan comes through.
Process over profits. That was more
I
or
was
less
thinking
thinking.
18.
I love it when a plan comes together.
That's it. I love it when a plan comes together.
That was
It does suck me and Jag didn't get our ad
when
though.
I was a kid.
I know. At least you got the Wii. I didn't get it. I was too chicken shit.
Yeah, it just had that feeling to it. It was like being held up, but it wasn't going higher. It was like,
Yeah.
oh, this is probably gonna dump. Right back up too.
Yep.
Now, granted, I wasn't expecting it to go down through 12 straight to VWAP like that, but it did.
I thought it might have grinded down to 12, but I just didn't want to put the time in.
Out all, Big Co and Daily.
Guess I should have just put a trail on it. Even that would have got me a ton extra.
I don't know what to watch anymore.
Man, the only thing that could have made that more perfect was an ad.
Yeah.
I had it sitting there. Damn SSR.
I got my
I had all mine out, dude. All my ads out. 81. I had it over 13. My shit was looking like bronze.
I would have put one out over 13 as well, but I didn't think it would spike through 13 that fast. Figured I had time to put it out. Right back up.
Yeah, I got to 79. Mine was at 81.
Why can't they all be like that, you know?
Would be nice.
And two, that one had a much bigger move than a lot of the ones that you end up taking.
Well, that's what I'm saying. The move that made was really good.
Yeah, these are kind of like, I mean, unicorns. I mean, as of late, especially.
A unicorn, it would
As
have
of
been
late.
trying to go up and halt and stuff. That never even got close. That's kind of why I was skeptic about it at first, because one, it ran right into the double top at 1250 from yesterday's high. So you know me, I don't like that. I hate that. But it was clearly showing resistance, and it hadn't really pulled back a lot at that point. So I was like, well, I'll give it a shot. But once it started moving higher, I was like, this is exactly why I don't do this. Because that's when you get those big extensions.
That ain't a low float stock either.
No, it's huge. It's a huge float.
It's a big float.
It was like when Tim called it, where's Jag at? DLO might be for you. And I pulled it up and I looked at it and I was like, why are we not interested in this?
Well, you know me. Oh, because I don't. Yeah, Thomas Hewitt. Yeah, I like. You know me. I like extensions.
You don't really give a fuck about those double tops.
Yeah, I like to look
Put
left.
third tit on. I wouldn't give a shit.
Yeah. To me, it was just, you know, not off the bottom per se, but it was in a range. That's usually what I call it. But like I said, once it got up through 1250, I was like, crap, here we go. Because that's the move I was really looking for. But the funny part is, if I don't get in at 1250 where it looked like it was exhausting into that double top, I probably don't get in at 1270, because at that point it was starting to kind of grind and it wasn't extended away from 1250.
Yeah.
Which is what I would have been looking for. So it is kind of intriguing when you look at it that way.
What do you mean? I feel like shit.
So much to do today. Clean the fish tank. I gotta rebox I gotta take my monitor box. We bought these like baby gate things for the puppy, but he can literally jump over them already, and it was still within the return window. So we're gonna try to return this. Today is actually the last day we could return it, but I don't have the original box, so now I'm gonna try to use my monitor box to do it. Such a pain in the ass.
EDU kind apricot.
Where'd you buy that monitor off Amazon?
The monitor, yes.
Oh, that's funny.
And it was Amazon warehouse.
Yeah, so I wasn't searching Amazon warehouse directly. It's just you look at underneath the
Like
price.
One of the ones that are listed below it.
Yeah, it says used.
So it is a used monitor.
It was never used. They just consider it used. I mean, it had all the factory stuff on it, even the plastic on the monitor. They opened it up and saw that little crack, and they sent it back. Like everything else was still on it. I mean, it works perfectly.
The one that I've been watching, and I was waiting for Black Friday to see if it goes on sale to match the existing 34-inch I have at the house. They have same category as you, whatever, I can't remember. It's the lowest one.
Acceptable.
And it's $160 cheaper right now.
What's the original price?
Dude.
Like $380.
Oh wow, yeah, that's like 50%.
Yeah, so it's like, all right.
What's the worst
do I have
that
the
can happen?
Huh?
I'll say, what's the worst that can happen? You get it and
Yeah,
it's
and
no
that's
good.
it
You send it
back.
back. Yeah.
Minder shares moving over $41.
Or do I wait for Black Friday and see if it comes down close to that?
Here's the beauty: you get this one. Black Friday would
True.
be there. Yeah, I mean, that was my plan with this one. Is if it was something that I didn't really like if there was like some crazy scratches or something, and then Black Friday came around and the price came down to something I'd be willing to pay for a new one, I just send the old one back and get the new one. I mean,
Yeah.
Froggo. Is that Travolta?
That is.
Oh my god. He looks so happy.
So are all these if it says Type C, that's the USB port then, right? Type C.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
All iPhones are going to be Type C soon enough.
Took them long enough.
I know. Well, it took, was it UK forcing their hand? Somebody forced their hand.
They never wanted to go to USB.
Yeah, somebody banded it. I can't remember who.
I mean, it's so stupid.
Proprietary connections.
Yeah, because they were making so much extra money on them.
For pretty cheap.
Yeah, but it's just like us not adapting the metric system. It's because we didn't fucking think of it. It's too easy.
Oh, I know. I'll never understand.
So we're like, fuck you.
Yeah. I mean, that sounds American, doesn't it?
Yeah, totally. Sad face, but yes.
And it just sucks too, because you grow up and it would essentially at this point it'd be like learning a different language.
Yeah. Learning the metric system.
Yeah. It's not easy.
But everywhere else in the world uses the metric system except for us.
Yeah, it's pretty dumb.
Because we're better.
Yeah. I like how they were talking. I was watching a YouTube video the other day about how Republicans won the majority, and they were talking about what their plans are, and none of it was to help everyday normal people. It was just to basically undo everything the Democrats have done, like up in power. And a lot of it was like, oh, we're gonna finally look into Biden and his son and his laptop, and it's like no one gives a shit about that stuff. It's like they're literally their own little soap opera at this point.
Well, that's what both parties are. They all have their own little agendas.
Yeah, it's pretty frustrating. Yeah, ARDX, kind of the same thing as DLO, but if it can make a move up towards 250, it could be interesting. That would be the halt price. DLO back to the highs. After it was just at 12. Jeez. Thing's jumpy for being such a big company.
Alright, I'm feeling a little better. Let's do this. I'm not sick.
Sick, just in the head.
I'm not sick. Fuck you. You're sick. What stock did you just mention?
One that you're not going to want to look at.
Is
ARDX.
it cheaper?
I think it's the one Steve was in yesterday. Wasn't he in this one yesterday?
I think he was, yeah.
Yeah, I think that was it. You're right. I don't like it. That's not just because it's $2. I didn't think it looks extended yet. Where would you want that? Like 240?
Yeah, 240, 250.
I mean, look at this. It's a double top too from pre-market, 244.
Alkashin. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Yeah, I know. I said it's just like D-Lo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, because I was doing the same shit.
Yeah. Where it would be going into the double top area.
Yeah. Gotcha.
You might be interested in D-Lo. How it just came right back up to that double top and just rejected right off of it. I feel like this would be somewhere you'd probably enter, looking for the move back down through 12. At least I think that's kind of what you look for.
Oh, that's the wrong chart.
1160
Yeah,
is that previous high.
That's just the SSR thing, honestly. I debated on taking it on when it ran up here the last time. Nah, that's one of those. I fucking hate SSR sucks, bro. So much. Like it's...
India's got a huge descending triangle sitting on VWAP at the moment. Came back down.
Forces me to trade differently than I like to trade. I think I need to just take a break from that.
But you kind of like me, and I kind of got over SSR in that way, Devin. You have areas where you're going to put your ad at, don't you?
I mean, it's true. It's true.
So as soon as you get in, you got to say, okay, I'm putting an order out right there because that's where I want to get my ad and just put it out.
This is where I want it. Yeah. I agree. No, I know. It's just like that. Like, I like to add into trades too as they come down. I can't do that.
Yes, you can't do that. Yeah. I'm
basically going to be one and done on this, either right or wrong. And I just am not the biggest fan of.
Yeah, you can't chase.
I don't know how heavy to go in. I don't know. There's so many fucked up things on it.
It does suck because, especially I know for me, because I like waiting to see that jiggle a lot of the times, and I always hit it as the price is coming down. Yeah, you can't. You basically have to assume the jiggle early.
You have to say, this is going to stop here.
Well, not necessarily. Like, you can see it kind of stop, but then you have to hit the ask immediately, hoping that you're a part of the jiggle.
It goes back up.
Correct.
Yeah. It's a pain in the ass. That's all I'm saying. It's a pain in the ass. And then
I think we all agree.
Like not worth the fucking hassle for me. I do like this more than the first move, though, for sure. 1240-ish, risking off of. I'd have to risk off like 1270 though, 1280, and it kind of sucks. Not for me, man.
Let me know if something looks good.
You look good, baby.
Thanks for stating the obvious.
You know what, guys? You guys are some sexy men. I would fuck you all.
Thank you.
Why you and Steve always got to take it to the next level? We were good where we were. It was
something literally fucking wrong with me. I've done this my entire life. My friends all used to be like, Devin, here's the line. Here's you. I'm like, okay, sorry.
There's a line.
Nah, that's what I always said. I'm like, I don't fucking see the line. That's my problem. I don't know that's there.
See, you always needed glasses.
Yeah, I haven't seen that line and since I was like 16, bro. What fucking line? If we weren't streaming, I would tell you guys a funny story right now, but I can't tell it because we're streaming. Trust me, Tim, this one cannot be said while streaming.
I didn't even hear what you said, to be honest.
I said I have a funny story in regards to this, but I cannot share it until we're not streaming.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, wait about
CFMS nibbled
20, 30 minutes.
Yeah. It's one of those I wouldn't even say it being recorded at this point. Luckily, when it happened the first time.
Well, in that case, let me make sure I'm recording.
No. I'm not sharing.
Elo looks like it wants higher.
Yeah, it does. Kinda. I don't know. It's like on. Oh, this is 15-minute. Oops, my bad. I've been having trouble finding trades after that first. Like my first trade is good almost every day. Like I have a good idea right off the bat, but after that, I end up kind of just viewing everything as a little bit choppy.
I swear it never lets
Even
me
this
put it
deal,
right
I
on
view
the
it
number.
kind of choppy.
I always have to. Oops.
It is choppy. My first move was good, but now it's gone into chop zone.
It's called consolidation.
Well, yeah, which is all we've been
And
doing.
this lesson brought to you by Market Frog.
One good move, consolidate the rest of the day. Fuck you. Long or short doesn't matter. Good move up, consolidate. Good move down, consolidate. But market-wise, let's see where we are. We are still in consolidation in the market, so
Ryan backside.
that's what we're gonna get. Honestly, my goal is to start taking 1,000 shares on these first 1,000 to 2,000 shares on these first trades, and then you're fucking done. But I'm not there yet. Did you get any trades today, Frog? Cool. I just kind of had a little bit of a pullback here. It's starting to. You know, it's crazy. I've been looking at these higher time frames, and I'm actually starting to like see shit in them better than I ever did, which is kind of nice. I don't think we're gonna break down today. I think that 394-ish, 393.80 is gonna hold and probably go back up to highs. What do you think, BT?
No idea.
No clue. I think we're gonna be in this sideways zone. We broke down in pre-market yesterday, but then it got back above it. I think it's waiting for something. What? I have no fucking clue.
Been a lot of fuckery this week.
Yeah, this week, I mean, dude, honestly, this week was kind of very straightforward until yesterday. That breakdown yesterday was like, what the fuck? Other than that, but then we had that break up too, but
Yes, it has. Quite a jump in the last
Shit.
couple minutes, huh?
Yeah. Ain't no stopping it.
And it's halted.
GRND wow.
I really wonder who trades this. I mean, people obviously are trading this. I just think it's insane. I mean, how do you just pull the trigger anywhere in here and just hold on for dear life?
It's probably spent more time halted than trading.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, people clearly are trading it or it wouldn't be going up, but I can't. My mind has trouble wrapping around that.
You bought in at the beginning. You're having a good day.
Well, dude, you had a fucking tremendous day.
16 to 63.70. Not bad.
It's not bad. Made a little money. Do gotta love that grinders grinding though. That's pretty awesome. Diddle diddle.
Elo's still spiking.
Oh, D-Lewis?
Yeah, it went back to high day.
Yeah, it did. Hey, one thing about you, bro. You're not lying.
No.
CLXT, Cadillac achieves phase 1 milestone in collaboration agreement to develop alternative to palm oil. That's Charlie Lima X-Ray Tango.
Be quite the fake out. 3 cents.
Straight back down.
Like 13.15.
Got like 1350. I doubt it's gonna get there, but
No, I don't think so, but
if it did, it might be interesting.
I mean, that's kind of what I was thinking.
1350-ish.
Yeah, I'd want to see the extension up through.
No,
Wake
she
out.
said, I suck.
it did not happen.
I'm having weird physical symptoms today that I don't normally have, which is making me think I might be sick, but they're weird symptoms, man. Stomach's fucked up. My eyes feel dry, and I never get that.
Pink eye.
Oh shit, I got pink eye.
Oh, there
It's
goes
shit.
Dilo.
I shit, and then I put it in my eye.
Dilo went right back up.
Dilo said, psych. Fake out, breakdown? Oh, wait, no. Fake out, breakout. I don't fucking know this.
Fake out, breakout, fake down. Fake
out, breakdown.
It was a fake out of the fake out breakout.
Wow.
Oh, fake out of the fake out.
Yeah. Fake out, fake out.
So it faked out. Now it
They
faked
wanted
out, fake
you,
out.
yeah, they wanted you to think it was a fake out breakout.
So everybody would short it, and then they're like, haha, just kidding.
Yep.
Got him.
Got him.
Now the question is it going to be a fake out of the fake out of the fake out?
Ooh, now we're getting deep.
So she said.
GOOGL, Italy's administrative court rejects Google's appeal against antitrust decision defined group over aggressive practices linked to commercial use of data.
I mean, to be fair, if the big money could see that like all the stops were closer to 13 and not right over high a day, they might have just had to push it a little further.
Yeah.
I think it's
We can't see what they can see.
I'll be back. I gotta go help again.
Well, I just took all the styrofoam out.
Enjoy, Dilo.
Well, I
tell those kids to help themselves.
In the box.
Ryan cut.
Yeah. Wow, grinder is
Is it higher? Did it go higher or did it drop, Tim?
it was going higher, tried to halt, but now it's getting slammed.
A good ticker name for it too.
CBNA, Carvana,
And now it's halted down.
reporting Carvana laying off 1,500 or 8% of the workforce. Charlie Victor, November Alpha.
How was Grinder on SSR? I mean, I know
Yeah,
it's
what
hard
the
to
heck?
borrow, but it says it's on SSR, and I just didn't understand that at all.
Ryan
Yeah,
and
it
Sub.
literally never went down.
Yeah, it's been open in one day. I mean, it's up 421%.
DLO keep an eye on shares, also note daily. $13.50 fast will likely be in. Carrot.
I'm gonna probably bail out of here early and take a nap.
Oh, Grinder was a SPAC, it looks like. The SPAC ticker was TINV.
Oh, isn't that the one that was moving yesterday or like this week?
Yeah.
I guess they were prepping for this to. I guess it just switched over to grinder.
Right. I thought it was an
Delos-
IPO though, but I just looked at it's a SPAC.
Interesting. I just can't wait to see the Twitter post of people being like, "Oh, I finally decided to jump in grinder at 71."
AGBA
That's a high
NTB.
day so far.
I mean, to be fair, it couldn't have been that many people. I mean, look at that huge volume or huge down halt candle, and there was only 22,000 in volume. So it's not like that many people that got in.
Alright. Oof.
Ryan LNT.
boys and girls. What are we doing? Ryan never really did anything, huh?
CFMS out all.
Shares of Carvana off the lows now, $7.87 after the company's CEO on CNBC announcing a layoff of about 8% or 1,500 of its workforce due to economic headwinds, including higher financing costs, delaying car purchases. That's Charlie Victor, November Alpha, now down about 5%. CVNA. CVNA, Carvana, Reuters saying now that Carvana confirming the CNBC report saying that they laid off 1,500 workers, 8% of their workforce. That's Charlie Victor, November Alpha, CVNA.
Grinder's getting the treatment just like on the app. You get some foreplay, build up the climax, and then you go home.
Is that how the app works? Thanks for filling us in. Oh, man, I've heard some crazy stories about that one from the ex-gay roommate.
QH up.
QH actually doing something? All right.
$262K there.
QH. It's another $2 stock.
Yeah. Oh, it's $2 stocks.
S&P future is popping here. $39.68, up 13. PRVB price target raised to a street high of $22 at Jeffries. That's Papa Romeo Victor Bravo. Mentioned Bio shares now at $7.95, near the intraday high, down 3%. That's PRVB.
Watching NutX and UTX. Cheaper one.
What are you watching?
It's a cheap one. NutX. You're not gonna like it. Volume sucks too. I was really just looking for that big move to like 145, something like that.
Oh man, I was apparently getting kicked out of the room and put back in. I didn't do anything.
ROKU, Roku, Oppenheimer raising the price target to $70. That's Romeo Oscar Kilo Uniform, ROKU.
I'm gonna go take a nap, guys.
See you in 20.
No, it'll be longer than 20. I got a feeling. I feel pretty shitty.
Shares of Roku at 55.40,
Hopefully I'll be back.
down $1 now. That's Romeo Oscar Kilo Uniform.
I've had this huge Sharpie. I use it for like when I'm shipping stuff. I've never had a Sharpie run out of ink, and I think I just had this run out of ink. This thing is, I've been using it for a long time.
Nothing?
You roboted.
Still?
A little better.
Anything moving? Anyone in a trade?
I think everyone's away right now.
All right.
Bitcoin Magazine says Russia's State Duma was submitted a bill to make Bitcoin mining legal in the country. That's citing Russia's RIA news agency.
Wow, Steve just leaves right away when no one's here, huh?
Yeah, he asked, and I told him it didn't seem like anyone was around.
Yeah, I heard him.
GLYCO that daily. NTB. $250K. My IB says no shares. Mine says 245K. Must be something Canadian. LOL. Always is. Metric and imperial something.
White House's Kirby said U.S. has had no direct communications with North Korea. North Korea has not responded to U.S. offer for dialogue.
All right, guys, I'm just chewing here. It's kind of pointless. Things have slowed down. I got a lot of stuff to do after I get off. And yeah, hopefully you all have a good weekend. Appreciate you all being here as always. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, all that good stuff, feel free to find me in the Discord or over on Twitter. Or you could come watch the recap later, like and all that good stuff. You can comment on that. And I will see you all tomorrow, or not tomorrow. I'll see you all Monday morning. Peace.